Parallel Constructs is an interactive project that combines mixed reality and virtual reality technologies to explore the transformation and reconstruction between the physical world and digital space. Using a Quest 3 device, users scan their physical environment and convert real-world furnishings into controllable geometric objects. These objects can be physically interacted with in MR or brought into the digital space, where they contribute to restructuring the virtual environment. Through this system, the boundary between physical and digital space becomes blurred, allowing users to experience the contrast and interconnection between the two, resulting in an experience that is both interactive and reflective. To begin, the user utilizes Quest 3's spatial scanning to capture environmental data from the real world. Through the effect mesh building blocks, the scanned space is translated into a grid of cubes. Each cube's position, size, and appearance are calculated and mapped based on the physical environment's spatial data, ensuring that the virtual cubes align accurately with real-world geometry and enhancing immersion. Notably, once a space has been scanned, it can be reused without rescanning when the APK is relaunched. Each cube is assigned a rigid body component, allowing it to respond to physics and user manipulation. With the integration of grabbable and hand-grab interactable components, users can pick up, move, and place the cubes. Additionally, users can transition cubes into the virtual space using the switch wire-mister function. The system's UI elements, such as prompts or scene switch buttons, are dynamically positioned based on the user's headset orientation and camera position. This ensures that UI elements always remain within view, allowing users to switch scenes conveniently without needing to search for interface buttons. When OVR pass-through layer is enabled, all cubes are displayed according to the real-world scan data and remain situated in physical space, rendered with a set of MR-specific materials. When switching to VR mode, the system preserves and transfers the manipulated cubes into a virtual environment, updating their properties and applying an alternate set of materials. In this project, the user's right hand is replaced by a virtual gun that fires rays using physics.raycast. Pressing the trigger button fires a green ray. If it hits a cube, a decoration with a randomly selected material is attached to the cube's surface using instantiate. Pressing the A button fires a red ray. If it hits a user-generated sphere with a specific name identifier, the sphere is destroyed via the destroy function. The ray colors are rendered using line renderer, providing clear visual distinction between the two modes of interaction. You are free to decorate your cubes creatively, designing patterns or compositions with the colored attachments. Alternatively, the system can be experienced more playfully, as a kind of shooting game. Once attached to a cube, decorative spheres will move along with it, preserving the composition dynamically as you manipulate the structure.